Oh, that's so rad.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1. Damn! Dude, that front goes. Whoa!
Wow. Damn, holy f.
It's the next morning. We had to make this a 2-day video, and I want to give you guys a little walk around of the way the 400Z sits currently. We're about to take a little road trip to LA today, so excuse my backpack in the back, but the setup came out amazing. The suede little floorboards, tank looking great, and our current ride height is, I think, is absolutely perfect. The wheels could actually be a little bit more aggressive, meaning we actually could have a spacer or two pulling out, but these wheels are so temporary, and once we wide body it, everything about it is gonna change. It looks very good. I'm super excited. We're gonna go give a first drive impression. I haven't driven on air in quite a long time, and I'm excited to get on these airlift struts and see how they feel. And we have about a 3-hour drive in LA traffic to suss it out. So let's get going. This is Sabrina's first time seeing the car. Actually, no, first time seeing the car with the wheels.
Okay, first of all, you copied me. Second
I
of
didn't
all,
copy you.
I'm actually shocked at like how, even when like Alicia just pulled up and dropped me off, I'm like, dude, this car is so fucking cool. Like,
It looks awesome. What?
How did you get custom Street Hunter? Can I get like custom Hunt & Co on my twin turbos of the engine? It says Lamborghini, and like, could I get like Hunt & Co on it?
We're gonna be late, babe. Let's go.
Okay.
I want to give a little bit of a first impressions or driving review on the bags because, as I said, it's been a while since I've been on the airlift system. I will say I'm actually pretty impressed. I don't know if anything has changed in the last few years on the way that they ride, but I remember it being a little bit more bouncy. Not that I ever had a problem with it then, but as I've gotten a little bit more educated and I've really like started to dial in like certain coilover setups, I've kind of just like been pretty satisfied with coilovers, and I was interested to see how I was gonna feel about these. And the car feels phenomenal. It feels as if I'm on coilovers. That's definitely a little softer, but it rides great. It is not bouncy, and it feels phenomenal. It feels great. I just really want to highlight that.
You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
One of those is actually a Type R, and the other one is not.
You're kidding. And this is a fakie?
We got a fakie on!
Oh, we have a fraud!
Oh, you
Fraud
versus the guy
alert.
she tells you not to worry about. That's hilarious. I can tell the wing on the right is fake, and I can see it like shaking.
Oh, it's wiggling.
And bumping and wiggling, and the so.
Oh, come on, you don't gotta roast the guy that hard.
I'm just saying, if you're gonna do it, at least get the real one, so it doesn't shake in the wind, my guy.
Where are we headed up to in this traffic we've been sitting in for the past 45 minutes?
I avoid LA like the plague, but today we're headed up to a place called Race Service, and every single year I do this thing called Hot Wheels Legends Tour, and it's a pretty cool event that goes on that Hot Wheels allows people to submit their car, like their personal cars, in to go up to like a, you know, like a judged platform of people, like I am one of them, and I help decide what car or what enthusiast is gonna get their car turned into an actual Hot Wheels. So this is my 3rd year in a row doing it. The previous 2 years I've joined via live stream via my computer at home, but this year there's a studio that we're actually going to, and there's a set. So we're taking a little road trip up.
On spot. Somebody has a really clean Type R and somebody has a really clean M3 E90. What do you pick?
For the Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
M3 E90 all day, baby.
Also, you guys, I see a lot of these comments sometimes about us living in LA. For those of you that are confused, like, oh, they're driving up to LA.
We don't live in LA.
We don't live in LA. I know a lot of you guys, like, from different places in the country or parts of the world are like, oh, they live in LA because LA is a very, like, famous part of California. We live in San Diego, which is like 2.5-ish hours away. 4 if you are coming up at this time of day, and we're stuck in the traffic.
I think I'm gonna pee my pants. Sabrina, for the last 30 minutes, is trying to convince me.
I'm trying to tell him that I can pour this water out and he can put his hole right here and pee into it, but he's declining.
A Gatorade bottle? Doable.
No.
This, no shot. Especially as I'm driving. What am I gonna do? This? Am I just gonna pee like this?
Yes, I'll hold it right there.
I couldn't even like mentally get my body to do it. It'd be like, no.
Wow, unreal.
Not gonna happen.
I would do it, and I'm a girl. No, I would.
She's got good aim.
Great.
She got that no looker dog. Oh! We were here a little bit earlier, so we're gonna be killing some time. My back hurts so bad from sitting in that driver's spot that I can barely walk. and I have to pee so bad, I have to go like this.
Take a leak off this tree right here.
That's called public indecency. That will get me arrested. I'm meeting one of my boys, Jared Deanda. You guys have seen him in the vlogs at this jewelry shop. Killing some time. I don't know. If there's something cool in there, I'll show you guys. Also, saw this. It's pretty cool. Maybe it's a sign. When I said I liked Porsches, I probably got like 10 emails from you guys who have any type of old Porsche, and you guys were like, buy my car. Maybe one day. I didn't even get to film clips. I didn't even get to
Good art, Hollywood,
the legend. Thank
Los Angeles, Josh Warner, Rachel, Adam.
I didn't.
All our favorite people.
I didn't even get to film a tour. I didn't even get to film a tour.
This is the family room.
Chain you up, son.
The coolest place in the world. Genuinely.
We just visited one of like the coolest like art stores we've ever been to. Is it art? I don't know if it's an art store. They make everything here. They manufacture everything here. If Calvin was here, he'd be freaking out.
Gosh,
The person who said,
Good art. Well bestowed
Saint
you.
Christopher.
And the irony is, so you know what St. Christopher is. Okay, you just,
I used to wear them when I was a kid. I still have them at my parents' house. In my bathroom at my parents' house, I have 3 St. Christopher necklaces. But it protects you, right?
So
it's
look
like
what
a blessing and a protection.
Look what it says. Godspeed, you good traveler.
Wow. Yep.
You're a traveler, son. And look, this is
I got my first chain.
You got the chain, son, and it's good art, baby.
Look at that. The best one he could have gotten. But wow.
This is awesome. This is super cool.
Wow, it looks good.
I've never been the one to like wear jewelry. I used to wear a St. Christopher as a kid, and I love this. I think it's so cool. Good art. I definitely want to come back there. They were super nice. I was gonna film the little tour, but I was trying to be respectful, and I'm hyped. What a good little like momentum going into tonight's live stream.
Oh my gosh.
Do I wear it on the live stream?
Definitely.
I think I do.
I think you do. I think you look good at it.
Dude, now I want to go and get more.
I know. I kind of want to go back. Hey, can you slow it down?
Hey, what are you doing down there?
Can you? Can you slow it down?
Teacher, Sabrina, put some clothes on! Gosh dang it!
Go away! Say what's up to the vlog!
So this is our set today. Very pretty, very cool. Ooh, you guys just missed it. I just got makeup. I got makeup on me. You can't tell. She told me that I'm getting too much sun on this area of my face compared to this side of my face, so look out for that. Shout out to her, but I got a little makeup done, and we're gonna be sitting here for the next 3.5 hours. It's gonna be a while, so I'll probably have to try and stack some clips, fill the vlog up a little bit. There's something cool. This is Mickey's car, and he actually just got these aero discs from Rotoform. So look at Mickey, stunting. So it's a 340 wagon, 330 wagon, I don't know. But he put on M3 front bumper, CS hood, M3 fenders. It looks really cool. I like this car a lot. Aero discs are rad. I think they're low-key making a comeback. And he also has the M3 rear bumper, but it still has the 330 or 340. I don't know what it is. Exhaust out ports, out exhaust tips. Wow, words. A lot of really cool stuff in here. This is a really, really cool spot. If you ever have a chance to come to race service in Venice Beach, definitely do it. I don't want to be nosy, but a lot of rad stuff in here. So I've heard sugarfish.
This is sugarfish, right?
This is fancy LA.
This is trust me.
Oh my god.
So you have your assortments of fish on rice.
Mm-hmm.
You have your soft shell crab.
Mm-hmm.
You have some other fish. You have your poke. But all the accoutrements that are soy and ponzu, lemon, ginger, all the accoutrements. You have everything built in. You got a wipe. You got chopsticks.
Do we each have one?
Why
This
is
is
starting
you.
to sound like a drift run right now?
This is you.
It sounds like
Go ahead and send it.
I'm the most picky eater in the world. So I just had this.
Yeah, that's just tuna poke.
Well, that was great.
She basic.
That was great.
But-
Some need pontoon, some
But
need
this is
soy.
nice salmon. That's a beautiful salmon.
I'm scared of salmon because it's really fishy.
Just give it some moral, because quality of fish is everything.
Oh, ponzu's in here too?
I'm liking this part right here.
Yeah,
A little
basic.
food before we get on.
No,
Some green onions. You gotta do the sashimi right.
Oh my gosh, you are kidding.
That is so good.
I'm a sushi guy. I don't know.
big sushi guy.
Like, watch. Like, this place is officially the coolest. They even have snacks. It's like perfect weather out, 75. Boy's back from makeup. He's looking absolutely fantastic.
No, I already told them I already got makeup. They already saw that.
Oh, well, those are for me.
Are you munching right now?
Are you a chain boy now?
Don't even.
That's kinda hot.
I'm not gonna flex my big silver chain.
Come on, let me see it though.
It's kind of vibey. It's definitely like an LA thing. I'm gonna vote for any car that has TE37s on it.
Okay, yes, we love TE37s in this family.
That's it.
Fist bump me.
Just TEs. If there
Love.
ain't TEs, I'm gonna say just no. Absolutely not.
Hey, okay, just tell the people what you need to tell the people.
Everyone's all like, man, TJ, stop putting TE37s on car. I like TE37s.
Hey,
Sorry.
you don't gotta explain yourself to the people.
Yeah, Mickey's always like, stop putting TE37s and everything. It's not cool anymore.
Mickey, did you think they looked cool on the C8 though?
They were cool in 1999.
Oh,
Guess what?
Okay.
Until someone makes a better wheel, 300
uni-
designs, I'm gonna keep picking TE37s until I go a 3-piece, and then it's H or E.
Hey, these look sick. But
These are gonna be on, guys. These are gonna be on the car for literally like probably 5 more days, and they're never gonna be on the car ever again because we're getting a different set for SEMA when it gets wide body.
Can I have?
Oh, now he wants them. Now he wants them.
They won't fit anything on it.
They don't fit.
Can I have?
So guess what? You're always gonna get TE37s.
Hey,
Sorry.
Hey, boy, your call time is now.
What would you rather put on this? An Advan or
What
like
would be
I
Mickey's
missed
spec?
the black t-shirt convention.
Oh yeah. Well,
Hey, your t-shirts look like that, so mine looks like
Grab me
Okay.
some scissors so I can match my kit.
Feel his hands. Feel his hands. Those are soft hands.
Oh, buttery.
Who's your money on? Who's
I
your
just
money
announce
on?
about it. You be about it. You guys keep.
We're about to go on and start shooting, but he paid him. I didn't. A viewer of the videos, introduce yourself to the vlog.
Hey guys, I'm Patrick.
You were watching the vlogs this morning.
Yes.
You literally watched the video of us putting the TEs on the 400, correct?
Yeah.
And he walks in and he's like, dude, the 400, the TEs look super sick.
Is that a Movement watch? Did he give you this? He gave me a watch? This video is sponsored by Movement.
Yo, you can use code TJ Hunt, save yourself 50% off, links down below. Anyways, you're a fan of TEs, because everyone in the comments is like, wow, I can't believe you're putting that set. You like the TEs.
I love T the world.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. We were literally talking.
4x4s have T's on their trucks.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
T the world.
See?
Should I put TEs on the Lambo?
Nah. No.
Oh,
Yeah, I agree with
I
that.
prefer, I don't know. I don't know what I.
TE the world.
Nah, Patrick, I agree with you. TEs not belong.
T's not on the Lambo though.
Okay, I feel it. I wouldn't. I
No, I respected it. Yes. I thought she was gonna go BBS, but hey.
Damn, we almost did, but you know what? I'm not gonna spoil anything. Patrick, thank you for guest starring on today's vlog, and thank you for watching the videos. Well, we just got home. It is now 1 a.m. Your boy is tired. The car is officially bagged. I'm happy. You're happy. Your wide body and bag king is back. Here to stay for a little while. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. We're about to take the Z to the next level with some more power, baby. So let's go. If you are enjoying the 400Z videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get notified every time we upload a new video with the Z. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out and keep moving forward.